Horses out, grand jackpot, Baba Boom moving a party out, and now is Figure It Out. Figure It Out, grand jackpot is running by the and in third comes Baba Boom, then followed over by Malabon King. Figure It Out takes the lead by Hapaleng, grand jackpot is running by the 2 lengths, watching in third is Baba Boom, then followed by Malabon King. Nards 23, now we have grand jackpot by a neck, Ari outside, keep on pressing in his Figure It Out. Baba Boom remains in third by a gap of 3 lengths. Then comes Malabon King. Grand jackpot, Figure It Out. Ari outside. Here comes Baba Boom in third. It's still grand jackpot. Figure It Out. Baba Boom in third position. Malabon King. It's still grand jackpot. Baba Boom. Now to take second. Malabon King is running by the grand jackpot. Baba Boom. Malabon King. Now we have Baba Boom takes the lead. Malabon King now to take second. Grand jackpot with Baba Boom by about 2 lengths. Malabon King still in second. Grand jackpot. Figure It Out. And it's still Baba Boom by about 3 lengths. And finally, Baba Boom, Malabon King, Nards 23. Then comes Grand Jackpot, 7 of Diamonds, Buhayang Bato, and Figure It Out.